Hi everyone, it's Bruce and Jan. Every year, Bruce has to go to the dermatologist to be checked over for skin cancer. Some years they take off skin tags, and some years they remove cancerous moles. This year, they found two cancerous spots, one on the top of his head and one on his back. Don't know the exact size of them, but after removing the one on the top of his head, the stitches were about 2.5 inches long. The one on his back was taken off 2 weeks later and was about 3 inches long. It has been about 4 years since I saw the dermatologist, so I decided I probably should go see them too. I had a pimple-like thing right above my eyebrow. They cut it off and sent it into pathology to see if I got clear margins. Well, I didn't. I have to go to their main office tomorrow to have the dermatologist and the surgeon both work on me. They will take thin slivers of skin, send it to the pathologist's office in the hospital, wait for his report, and cut again if needed. They are estimating that it could take about 4 to 5 hours to get clear margins. So I made about 5 days of videos ahead in case I feel like crap. Basically, I'm going to have to sleep upright for 2 days and then not bend over for at least 10 days. I just wanted you to know, because if after 5 days I still can't function correctly, there will be no more videos until I feel better. But hopefully all goes well. I will let you know how it goes.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.